Hello there, my name is McHorse, and this is another sneak peek of a big upcoming update, but this time it's about Aperture's new features. Let's go. The first feature of this update is modifier envelopes. Here is the preview. What it does is allows to limit the modifier to work at specific time. Here, let me show you. In the modifiers panel, you can see there is a new icon of an envelope. If you click it, it will open the panel with configuration of the envelopes. Enabled enables the envelopes. By default it's disabled. Here you can control when it starts, when it ends, relative to the end of beginning of the fixture or camera profile. Durations for how long it takes to fade in and fade out the envelope. And of course, you can pick any interpolation. Second feature is improved flight mode. Now you can use the mouse to move the camera, instead of arrow keys. Once the flight mode is enabled, if you left click and drag, it will move the camera left, up, right and down, basically vertically and horizontally. If you middle click and drag up and down, it will zoom in and out using FOV. And finally, if you right click and drag to left or right, it will roll the camera. This is a really nice quality of life feature. Third feature is a new fixture called manual. What it does is allows to record the manual movement of the camera and then use it as a fixture. It's really useful for people who prefer the old style of camera management while having the perks of camera synchronization. It doesn't work with Optifine Zoom yet, but I will make it work. As you can see, I'm doing nothing. It's just playback of the fixture. The fourth feature is Minema recording panel. What it does is allows to specify the start and end ticks of the camera profile, and then record instantly from the camera editor. This is way convenient than going outside of camera editor, pressing F4 and using the playback button. You can also record a single fixture with Minema, instead of custom range. The footage recorded with this panel should end up much precise and consistent if you would have used OBS, or even the old F4 method. And the final feature, but not necessarily the last in this update, is crosshair option. Ethos said it's the coolest of them all. You just enable this toggle, and voila, you have a crosshair in the middle of the screen. It's a very powerful feature. I hope you're thrilled to use these new features. If you want, you can do it right now by hopping on my Discord server and getting the dev build tester role in the roles channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next sneak peek.